How to fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages. Hi guys, so first thing you want to do is go to the settings and then go to the apps. Open the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find the Facebook Messenger and then click on it. Exactly like that. And then click on Force Stop and then go to the permissions, enable all the permissions. Go back, click on data usage, enable every single option here. And last thing you want to do here is click on storage, click on this clear cache. As you can see, I just cleared it, it's 0 here. And then click on clear data to clear all the data. And then go to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Messenger and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.